Hello guys, welcome to Fact'sKing. This is my first video. If you love this video, please press the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Our first topics is about top 5 unsolved mysteries of the strange universe. Dark matter, the spider's web, planets, stars, asteroids, galaxies, the things that we can actually see, make up less than 5% of the total universe. Scientists think another 25% is a strange substance called dark matter. We can't see it, we don't understand it, but we're pretty sure it's out there because everything moves to its gravitational tune. Scientists believe that dark matter acts like a spider's web, holding fast-moving galaxies together. And there's so much of this stuff that it bends the appearance of space, so that when astronomers observe distant galaxies, they often appear distorted. We have plenty of evidence that dark matter exists, but as for what it is, that remains a mystery. Some think dark matter is composed of an undiscovered particle or particles, others believe it's an undiscovered property of gravity. Whatever the truth, dark matter is a real puzzle, and it's proved hugely tricky to pin down. Second was dark energy, the poltergeist. So if dark matter makes up 25% of the universe and normal matter makes up 5%, what about the other 70%? We think that the remainder is entirely dark energy, powerful enough to tear the entire universe asunder. Whilst dark matter appears to mesh galaxies together, dark energy seems to want to push everything apart. We all know that the universe is expanding, but it's expanding more and more quickly than it should be. And scientists think that dark energy is the culprit. But where's dark energy coming from? Some believe that it's produced from collisions between quantum particles, but no one knows for sure. Third was spooky action, famously dubbed spooky action at a distance by a dubious Albert Einstein. Quantum entanglement is the phenomenon by which two particles in totally different parts of the universe can be linked to one another, mirroring the behavior and state of their partner. Quantum entanglement is a bit of a nuisance for classical physics, because it breaks some fundamental laws that we previously thought unbreakable. For particles to be connected across such vast distances, they must be sending signals to one another that travel faster than the speed of light, a feat previously considered impossible. What's more, objects are only supposed to be affected by their surroundings. The notion of a particle being affected by something happening on the other side of the universe is just strange. Nonetheless, studies suggest that quantum entanglement does indeed exist. And even though we don't understand it, we could still potentially use it. Because of its spooky characteristics, entanglement could eventually become the bedrock of next-generation computing and communications. So watch this space. Fourth was imagine yourself in opposite land. Black is white, up is down, and matter is antimatter. It sounds crazy, but the subatomic particles that make up everything around us, electrons, protons and neutrons, all have evil twins. Antimatter particles are the same mass as normal particles, but the opposite electric charge. And because of this, antimatter wipes out normal matter on contact. Poof. Both are destroyed in an instant. So antimatter has the potential to destroy us and everything we love. But fear not. There's very little antimatter roaming around in the cosmos. What's more, antimatter could even prove useful. When antimatter and matter meet and destroy one another, it releases energy. In a PET scanner, anti-electrons are created and their annihilation in the body allows doctors to create sophisticated images. What's more, scientists hope to one day use the energy released by antimatter-matter interactions to power spacecraft. So perhaps antimatter isn't quite so evil after all. Fifth. And the last one was, and the universe is really big, like, really big. In the grand scheme of things, human beings are just small fry. And yet, we currently seem to be the only ones at the party. The Fermi paradox refers to the contradiction between the high probability of extraterrestrial life and the apparent lack of evidence that such life exists. We've now identified a handful of potentially habitable Earth-like planets, but we're still yet to see any signs of intelligent life from out there. So why the radio silence? There are numerous theories, ranging from the possibility that intelligent life is exceptionally rare or short-lived, to the notion that alien species are purposefully avoiding detection. Guys, thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe.